Yeah,
we got other stuff. We got other stuff. All this money didn't work.
All of this
Once again.
money.
That's Caicedo.
Money.
That's Lavia.
Holy money.
That's
In a
Lukaku.
rich man's world.
That's
Volley,
Osimhen.
volley, volley.
Yeah.
It's a volley.
Of course you
In
have.
a rich man's
usual.
world.
That's technically Liverpool's. And again, that's the rest of
Caicedo, how
Caicedo.
much? That's one penalty. That's one foul. That's one shot off target.
Misplaced pass.
That's one penalty miss.
Yeah, header straight off the pitch. It's a wide shot.
Oh, Bowley. How much more you want to spend, Bowley?
Break the bank, Osimhen, break it! How many banks can you break? You're pathetic. Joker.
We actually need to buy more players.
That's how unserious they are, you know? Because he means that.
Break the bank
He's
again.
like, there's still 10 days.
How many banks can you break, you
my
sausage? There he is. Shout out to Matisse, looking
Fuck off,
lovely.
man. What is wrong
so
with
that's
you guys?
good.
You've done a whole intro. Now you've got that up on the screen. What more do you want?
When was that?
That was
Is that real?
Yeah, it's real, bro.